Okay guys, this is where the railroad crossing used to be at. It's a bandit railroad crossing that I found in Sacramento. So this is a old railroad crossing. So this is the old railroad crossing right here. It used to be on top. It looks high. It's really high because it used to there used to be railroad crossing lights up there, but they took it away. There used to be a gate right there. So right here, let me show you. That's the old thing right there. And this side they took away a bandit railroad crossing. As you can see, right here, it says something there. It says like 5 miles or something. Right there, the railroad crossing, it was right there. So this is the Sacramento. It's all fenced up there because it's really old. Here it is. This is where the railroad crossing used to be at. Right there. But this is the leftover crossing. As you can see, it takes you all the way over there. So it's over there. There's another old one like this too. See right there. Right there. So I hope you subscribe and you join the video. Bye.